open projects like this. You see here UbudKus Coin, console wallet, block explorer. Now first run UbudKus Coin. Right clicks, close, open terminal, make it smaller, and then run the server. This one is server node. The node. This one is blockchain node. .NET run. Okay. Now node running in port 5002. Okay. Now we run. Yeah, this node create block now already Hague 45. If you want to start from beginning, you must delete the database. Here, you delete this. Okay, let's stop now. Ctrl C, and we delete the database first. Now we start again. Okay, create database again here. Now we will start from beginning. Next, we check the block inside node using block explorer. I click, open in terminal. .NET run. Okay, this one is block explorer to check our blockchain. Okay, check, enter 1, enter, yeah, this first block. Now enter, see, show all block 3. Press enter the page number 1. Okay, this one is current blockchain. Hague 0 is ICO account. This one is block number 2, 3, 4. Okay, this blocks didn't have transaction. This have transaction. Okay, this block is created every 30 seconds. Even didn't have transaction, the block still created. In real blockchain also do same things. So even didn't have transaction, they still create a block. Okay. Now check last block. Last block is Hague is 6. Okay, now Okay, this one is blockchain node. This one is Explorer. Now we open wallet. Right click here, terus open in terminal. Now .NET run. Okay. First time we didn't have address. We can create account or restore account. To restore account, we need script number. Now we create account. Type 1, enter. Okay, this one is information, new account. Address, this one, address. We need this one for send coin and receive coin. This one is public key. This one is secret number. Save secret number. Use secret number to restore account. Okay, now we save this. Save this. Next we use to demonstrate send coin. Now we save here. Now press enter to continue. Now check balance. So this one is address. Automatically come here. Checks balance 4. Type 4. Balance is 0. Balance for this address 0. Check transaction. No transaction. Okay. Okay, you see here is now hey 27. Now 29. Okay, check here. You can check here last block to 29. No transaction. Okay. Now we need the restore account. Okay. Now we can create open new Windows again. Okay, open those terminal. Okay, now we open two wallet. Just run this. Okay. This one is .NET. This one is wallet. Now we restore account. We restore the ICO account. Okay. Okay, I already put here the secret number. This one have 4 million, so copy this with this number. Now we restore account. Select number 2. Place enter script number and paste this one. Enter. So this one is address. This account should have 4 million balance. Enter. Now this is address. Checks balance for 2 million. Oh sorry, 2 million. Okay. Now I will send from this wallet to this wallet. Oh sorry, I will send money, send coin from this account to this account. This account address is this one. So I will copy this. Or checks balance first. Number this one 4 yeah. 0 right? Okay. Now I will send from this to this. So 3 send. Please enter the recipient address. So paste here recipient address. This address put here. Now I will send 205. Okay, sorry. I will send to 5 only. And please enter fee. Example fee is 0.1. Okay. Transaction has sent to blockchain. Now check the balance. Oh, okay, 5 right? Now checks last block 2. Yes. Last block is this one. From this address, right? To this address. Okay, to this address, right? Swipe. Okay. Feed this. Now, this balance should be reduced. So checks balance number 4. Yes, this one. Okay. Okay, now send again. 3. Place again the address. Send example 300. 3, 5, enter. Now if we check balance 4, still 5 because not yet block, not yet created. So check last block is 2. Okay, now already created. So now it's balance already. Okay. Okay. Until here. Now that's all. So this one is core blockchain, this one is explorer, this one is wallet. I hope this can help you understand about wallet. Thank you.